Good morning, Standard 8. I am going to start today chapter 2, chemical changes and reaction. So dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about the topic chemical changes and the condition which are essential for the chemical change to take place. First, I am going to explain you about the what do you mean by chemical change or how we can define chemical change. Definition: chemical change is a permanent change in which chemical composition of the substance are changed. And one or more new substance with different chemical composition and properties are found. So dear student, this is the definition. Chemical change is a permanent change in which new substances are formed with different composition and property. Let us understand chemical change with the help of few examples. Carbon combined with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. Dear student, this reaction we will understand this way. When we burn paper in the presence of the oxygen, it produces gas carbon dioxide and solid residue known as soda ash. Solid residue can't be reversed backwards original form even we change the condition. So chemical change is permanent change. It can't be reversed back to its original form even we change the condition. Now I am going to explain you about the condition necessary for chemical change. Conditions necessary for chemical change. Second, in solution form. Third, heat. Fourth, light. Fifth, electricity. Sixth, pressure. Seventh, catalyst. So dear students, these are chemical change, mixing or close contact, solution. When the reactants are in the solution form, then only the reaction will take place or the chemical change will take place. Third, in presence of the heat, chemical change will take place. Light, electricity, pressure and catalyst. Now I am going to explain one by one each condition necessary for the chemical reaction with the help of example. So first close contact. Or mixing. When two elements or the compound come in close contact, chemical change take place. For example, sodium react with water when come in contact with each other and form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is being released. So dear student, here sodium when come in contact with water, chemical change take place and there is formation of the sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas used to evolve. Second, solution. When the compound or the element are in solution form, reaction take place. Sodium chloride in aqueous form react with silver nitrate. It form AgCl, a white precipitate, and sodium nitrate. So, when these two compounds are in solution form, they react. So, sodium chloride in the aqueous form and silver nitrate react with each other in the solution form and form a white precipitate, silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Third, heat. Heat is also essential for chemical change. Calcium carbonate, when heated, it used to form calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. So dear student, calcium carbonate used to decompose in the presence of heat and form calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Fourth, light. Sunlight is also essential for chemical reaction. Carbon dioxide react with water in the presence of sunlight. During the process of photosynthesis and form glucose plus oxygen. So during the photosynthesis, light is essential. In the presence of the sunlight only, carbon dioxide react with the water to form glucose and release oxygen. Fifth, electricity. Electricity is also essential factor to take place chemical change. Example like water decompose into hydrogen and oxygen when electricity is being passed through. And the process is known as electrolysis. By the process of the electrolysis, water decompose into hydrogen and oxygen, dear student. Next factor is pressure. When nitrogen and hydrogen are subject to the high pressure, it forms ammonia. There is formation of ammonia. When the nitrogen and hydrogen are react under the high pressure, it used to form ammonia. Seventh, catalyst. What do you mean by the catalyst? Catalysts are those substances or the compound which accelerate the rate of reaction without itself any change. Either it used to speed up reaction or it used to retard the reaction. Both the work is being done by the catalyst. So catalyst is a substance or the compound which help to accelerate and to decrease the rate of the reaction. For example, like potassium chlorate decompose in the presence of catalyst known as manganese dioxide into potassium chloride and oxygen. So dear student, these are the 7 factors which are essential for chemical change. First is close contact, second is solution, third is heat, light, electricity, pressure and catalyst. These are the 7 essential factors which are essential for chemical change. So dear student, please you read the topic, learn the definition of the chemical change and condition essential for chemical change. Thank you dear student.